This video will show you how to install the software. You'll receive a link to the software setup.exe. You just double click on it. So if you have an antivirus running, it might block the software. You might have to close it, or yeah, it'll keep on going. So I would suggest pausing your antivirus. Sometimes the antivirus will let it through, like now it's just letting it through. So click next. It'll go into the Gizmo 3D printers directory, and just click next, install. It'll do everything it needs to do. While it's installing, you'll see it'll create a Gizmo 3D printers directory. This already has the correct Java, so you don't need to install a separate Java. When it's finished running, I will do the next video will explain the software. So we have Gizmotor and GiziPrint, and I will explain that in the next video.